Howdy, y'all. Adam and Sean from Drums Etc.
And Josh.
And Josh Dunn. There he is. The man himself. We are unboxing today a few SJC kits. First and foremost, let's check.
Let's check. You meant to say check, didn't you?
That was check and take in the same time.
Check.
Cut.
Let's check. Cut.
Let's take a look at the new Pathfinder series kit from the fine folks over at SJC Drums. You may recognize that purple glimmer finish back in the background. We have the snare drum from that kit. This is from the same series, the Pathfinder series. However, this one is the Caribbean Blue or Caribbean Blue, depending on how you pronounce it. Pirates of the Caribbean Blue.
Drum sets of the Caribbean.
Drum sets of the Caribbean. SJC, we're just throwing things out. Pick up whatever you want. You can use it. It's fine.
They're picking up what we're putting down.
They're picking up what we're putting down. No, but first and foremost, let's open this up. Check out this finish. I'm very excited about this. I'm more excited about this than the purple, and you guys love the purple. So
look, it comes with a certificate of authenticity. This is for you, goody.
Authentic SJC Pathfinder model.
Pre-cut hole. Look at this. So you can stick your little mic in there. Pre-cut.
So these guys have maple hybrid shells, 45-degree bearing edges, a lot of the stuff that you're looking for a nice pro-level kit. These guys come in at about $6.99 for the 3-piece, the 22 bass drum, 12 rack, and 16 floor tom, and have a variety of different finishes.
Floor tom legs.
Like I said, this one is
tom holder.
I'm excited about. Nice rims mount.
Yeah. Put this over there, could you please?
Oh,
Thank you very much.
I appreciate your lovely
my
assistant.
You're my
Can
Vanna
we get
White.
to some drums?
Woo, woo.
Can we get to some drums?
Yes.
They pack these too good.
Here we go.
We're too excited.
Yeah, it really is a nice pack job. Oh, check it out. Yeah,
Whoa.
You might be right. I like this better than the purple. The purple was pretty rad, but this one is something special.
Come on, get it out of the bag.
Oh, here it is. Okay.
Take it out of the bag.
I'm taking it. Look at this.
That thing's glowing through there.
Ta-da.
Dang. Yep.
What do you think, Josh?
Josh?
Is this Josh Dunn approved?
He's all smiles. He's all smiles.
Yeah. I've never seen him in a bad mood.
Check that out. The Caribbean Blue.
Caribbean Blue, baby.
Caribbean Blue. In the morning sun. Look at that. Different sunlight. This is what it looks like if you're playing outdoors. This is what it looks like if you're playing in a shadow.
This is what it looks like when you're leaning in a box, watching Adam make a fool of himself.
There it is. Beautiful SJC badge. The black powder-coated hardware all around. Beautiful shell on the inside. And these guys sound great out of the box in that they come with some nice heads, coated heads on top, the clear on the back end. We're going to get this whole thing together for you guys so you guys can see the kit in action.
Hey, you know what I like? I like when the drum companies put the little stamp on the inside and it tells you what it is on there. See that? You know, back in the day, the drum companies would stamp the date on the inside, but most modern high-end drums will have a little sticker in there. Kind of says the model number, the type of what it is, the finish, everything else. I really like when companies do that. So keep up the good work. I like that.
All right, SJC, let's put this thing together.